All right, guys, here we go. It's flexible. It's got a lot of moving parts.
Oh, how was that?
What is it?
Tom, you know, this is actually a dog leash.
A dog leash?
Yeah, now, if you have a little Fifi dog,
That's a dog.
you can just use like a piece of string.
This is the
as a
dog
leash.
right here?
Yip, 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 yip.
Stay away. But if you have a bull mastiff, a really big dog, come here, bull.
Am I the bull?
Yeah.
No, you're
Got
the
that in
master.
there?
Bull mastiff.
All right, you ready? You got
Give him a
fleas.
water. Give him a bowl of water.
Get 'em out of here.
Unhook me, please.
Definitely not what it is. You make a good bowl. Mastiff.
Mastiff.
This, believe it or not, guys, is a fashion statement. Now, you guys probably don't know many millennials, but I hang with them all the time. Can you get my tools, please?
Sure. These
And,
right here?
you know how you've got the tool belt?
Yeah, I do.
Well, this is the tool scarf, right? I saw this recently in Milan when we were at the fashion show. A couple guys in Brooklyn got it. Watch this. Ready? Huh? It just starts hanging all your stuff in this way that you can actually wash my
That's pretty
face,
handy.
right?
Pretty handy.
And you clip in this right here, and whoop, hang on.
That's pretty handy.
This one's coming right there.
Nice. What are
Let
you
to be
gonna do
working
with it?
underneath you.
Whoop, hang on.
Working good. You got a lot done during the day.
It's all about the luck. Hold my pipe. Hold my pipe.
Okay.
And then you can just cut. Whoa.
That's not the right tool.
It's gonna
That's
snip
not the
it
right
right
tool.
here.
No.
Hold it. You guys obviously don't know what it is because you're not rocket scientists. We just was sent in by a viewer to say hello to NASA astronaut Rick Mastracchio, and he's going to explain what it is.
Hey guys, greetings from the International Space Station.
Do you really have an astronaut on the line right here?
Have I ever lied to you?
Yeah.
Rick is a mission specialist, and he's traveling to space on 3 different space shuttle flights.
That's right, and right now I'm orbiting the Earth on the International Space Station, traveling 17,500 miles per hour.
Wow, that's fast.
Yeah, I guess so. We go around the Earth 16 times a day.
So what are you doing talking to us?
Well, like Tommy said, I watch the show a lot, and I figured we might have a few tools up here that even you guys haven't seen before.
You're right about that. What is this thing?
This is a body restraint tether, or a BRT. Here in the weightless environment of space, it's very difficult to do even simple tasks unless you're very stable. Let's say I'm doing a spacewalk, and I'm trying to tighten a nut. If I'm not held in place, my whole body will just spin in the opposite direction.
So cool.
So, we attach this BRT to the waist of our spacesuit, and we attach this claw to a handrail. It holds us perfectly stable and allows us to use both our hands to do our work. I used this recently when I fixed a broken pump outside of the space station.
And I thought it was hard working under a kitchen sink.
Well, thanks for sharing this with us. We really appreciate it.
And thanks for all your service, too, and the great work you're doing on the space station.
No problem, guys. One question, though. Next time something breaks up here, do you think one of you guys could lend a hand?
We're going to have to charge you mileage.
Look at this. Where'd he go?
I love it.